EA confirms FIFA 23 will be the last FIFA. What?
Yeah. The title got me, but it's actually just the naming of it.
They're going to call it something else?
Clickbait.
Yeah.
That's right. FIFA 23. So then we have to put this title in our clip too.
Of course.
It's only fair. If we get trapped, we get trapped together. That's right. FIFA 23 will be the last FIFA as we know it, as the popular video game's name will be changing after EA Sports and FIFA end their nearly 30-year-long partnership. Today, EA Sports announced that the name of everyone's favorite football game would be changing. Join the club. Learn more. EA Sports FC. Yikes. Not as good. With a press
FC
release...
is the
Football
new
club?
name?
I don't know. With a press release being issued on their official website that reads, I want to start by thanking this incredible community of more than 150 million fans for helping build the world's biggest football entertainment platform, EA Sports FIFA. After nearly 30 years of creating genre-defining interactive football experiences, we will soon begin an exciting new era. Next year, EA Sports FC will become the future of football from EA Sports. That's right. The FIFA video game as you once knew it will be no more. EA Sports were quick to reassure fans that everything you love about games will be part of EA Sports FC. The same great experiences, modes, leagues, tournaments, clubs, and athletes will be there, just not the FIFA name. Why not cut a deal, man? 30 years? You're promoting both things. You're creating FIFA fans.
I agree. I think that you gotta figure those things out, man. Like, what are we talking about? A few dollars, some feelings. Well,
But hasn't
emotions.
FIFA been getting like not the best coverage for the last few years? Like people haven't been pro FIFA.
Oh,
I don't know.
So maybe this is EA taking a step back and being like, you know what? Maybe we don't want to be attached to FIFA right now.
Well, you obviously know more about it than I do.
yeah.
I've just heard rumors.
That's
so
more
don't
than
trust
I know.
anything.
Heard
CNN.
rumors and then spread rumors.
Yeah, exactly.
We have something interesting from Nike here. Nike seems to not mind. Nike Football tweeted, "Football meet future" with a handshake emoji. We're proud to be partnering with EA Sports FC to expand the future of the beautiful game. More to come July 2023. You ready? Was Nike involved in some way or another? Do you want to play that video or what do you think? Copyright infringement?
Sure.
8 seconds. I think we'll be all right. It doesn't even look right. EA Sports FC. Nike? Or Nike involvement? I don't know. Who knows now? Now you look at these negotiations, you try to wonder who has a problem with who,
Right.
who's getting around
Moving
what,
parts, yeah,
who's
I agree
paying
with you.
who. These are the complicated things that happen in the media business, Ryan,
Yeah.
that are difficult to automate,
Yeah, almost impossible.
and they require a fine touch,
Real fine touch. Fine tuning.
fine tuning on a regular basis, and no one knows better than you do, except for Mo.
Except for Mo.